Justice Sophia Akuffo made the remarks during a sending-off ceremony to mark the end of her tenure as Chief Justice, which begins from Friday the 20th of December. At the ceremony, which had in attendance a number of dignitaries including the Attorney General Gloria Akuffo, executives of the Bar Association, former justices of the Supreme Court and ordinary citizens, Chief Justice Akuffo stressed the need for standards to be maintained in order for the judiciary to keep its respect.
I just want to also talk about a little about legal education. We need to be very, very serious about standards if we don't want to end up with lawyers who do more harm than good. Because even though we don't have the same tenet as the medical profession, where it says first do no harm, I think we could do with adopting that tenet. That is our duty, to make sure that we will not in any way harm any person in this country from unprofessionalism or from professional misconduct. And I know that those who I've been listening to the radio, and people have been saying things like, "Oh, when the new Chief Justice comes, they don't know." I think he's even more of a stickler. He's even more of a stickler than I am. We cannot, and it will not do a nation any good, to compromise on standards. Because without standards, we will never have excellence, and without excellence, we will never go forward as a nation.
Justice Akuffo, who at the very beginning of her tenure of office directed judges and lawyers to ensure they were fully roped during court proceedings, further cautioned lawyers to know the boundaries for which they can have their ropes on.
I'll take the opportunity now to actually caution members of the bar against that. Strictly speaking, it amounts to touting. You don't, outside the precincts of the court, you can walk from this building to the circuit court building. You can do that because that's within the precincts. But you cannot, when the community center courts were in place, you cannot robe and cross the road to go there. That's a different precinct. Let's stop that practice. I've seen lawyers walking along that Makola road towards electricity in their full robes. It is totally unprofessional and misconduct. Even just being in your bibs, that is not allowed. In England, people have lost their licenses just because of that.